Trading crypto is the ultimate way to take control of your time. Being able to make a 10% profit within the day and have enough money to pay your mortgage that month is one of the most freeing things that I've found within crypto, especially with the lackluster alt seasons that we've seen from the bull market of 2025. And today, I'm going to do a walkthrough of a very awesome partner of the channel, Klein. It's actually hooked us up with a discount code of 25% off for members to take their shot of turning $50 into a $5,000 trading fund account. Before I get too ahead of myself here, I have to clip this trade real quick. Running into resistance here on VVV. We heard a little scalp long for $795. Hold on just a moment. Let's close this bad boy out. And we're good. All right. Cha-ching, cha-ching, bada bing, bada boom. Now, how do we do this? How do we find these scalp entry points and make money throughout the day? Well, I'm going to show you the exact signals that I use at the end of this video, the tools in the tool chest that I use day in and day out to find that true financial freedom. But shout out to Klein Funding for partnering up with us on this great opportunity for the trading community to level up, to make it from the $50 bag into the multiple thousands of dollars in a trading account that you can take advantage of for yourself. Now, Klein Funding at kleinfunding.com. This is the landing page, and you can start here. Also, would recommend to join their Discord for some community insight. This is a prop firm that's actually in partnership with Bybit, one of the most known and long-standing exchanges in the market. Now, this has a deep liquidity book and gets a good background infrastructure for Klein Funding to operate on top of. But here's the rundown. So, as I said, we have a 25% discount. I just signed up for the tester phase of this. It cost me about $46. You can pay in crypto or with a credit card. And really the situation is you split the profits by 70%, but you have to thread the needle and avoid a drawdown of 6% on the max drawdown or within the daily drawdown levels at 3%. What does this mean in plain speech? You have to use a damn stop loss. It trains us to utilize risk mitigation, and leverage is a tool, much like a crowbar. Usually your fingers, your greasy mitts cannot open a car door that is locked by just grabbing the edges of the car door. No, you need a crowbar for the leverage to crack that baby open, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to crack open financial freedom right now. So this thing does have a few different setups, and if you're just getting started into trading, you've been calling the charts out correctly for some time, and you want to put your skills to the test, I'd go after the $55 valuation, but you can take up to a $100,000 valuation for $800. But with 25% off, you shave a good amount off of that. Now, as I said, this is a proving ground. If you scroll down, it shows you how it works. Prove your skills. You must avoid that daily loss exceeding the 6% level. Another fun thing is that it teaches you how to make sure to take your profits when they're there, right? The goal here is, let's say I sign up with a $55 account, right? The goal on the $55 account is to turn this $5,000 into $5,500. You hit that mark, then you pass the evaluation and move on to the next steps to actually getting funded. This reinforces the wonderful adage that no one goes broke taking profits. Taking the money off the table when it's there is something that's quite important for daily traders, because oftentimes we get caught up in scrolling through Facebook Marketplace, shopping as our P&L grows and grows and grows. But crypto is a volatile bird, and she likes to retrace all the time, up and down. Now, when you're on the website, you click Start Now. It'll take you to another page where you can select the different tier of what you want to go after. Once you choose, you have to go through the rules. Make sure you read these rules very concisely here. You have different profit targets, maximum drawdowns, and daily drawdown limits within each different option. And also, actually getting trading, once you've paid and you're ready to go, you have to hook up your API key from Klein into a Bybit demo account. Now, I will link it down in the description, a video directly from Klein that explains this exact process here. Here's a snapshot of the video where it pops up the API key and the API secret here once you log into your dashboard. But again, I'll drop that in the description so that once you signed up, you can take that next step of actually connecting the account of Klein to your demo trading account to get ready to go. And some of the awesome benefits about this, not only being able to prove your trading skills and level up into a multi-$1,000 account if you're starting small, but you also get to keep up to 90% of the profits that you generate, depending on how much you choose. The front end option and the basic account, you reward split by 70%. But you can adjust this by pressing the plus button. If you want to go up to 90%, you're paying a little bit more, $65 to get started. Once you get logged in, it takes you to your dashboard where you see your equity, your balance, your profit target, and it makes it very specific on what your daily drawdown allowance is. Some of the tools and the indicators that I use on a daily basis when day trading are very, very useful when it comes to finding entry points and exit points on these positions. For instance, here, let's say that I want to go trade Bitcoin. I always start on the daily. I want to look at the daily to see how money flow is doing on this wonderful market cipher indicator, shout out CryptoFace, to show you if money flow is swooping to the upside or if we're headed down to Koreatown and we're moving into the red here. Once I've looked at the daily, get the general vibe for Bitcoin's price, then I start to zoom in and I want to check out the 15-minute because I'm scalp trading. Keep this in mind. Quick in, quick out. Take the profits, scurry out of there like a cockroach. So when I see that the momentum wave has moved to the downside, but the yellow VWAP is sharply moving to the upside, we usually end up printing a green dot and a nice little short-term pump. Even if it is only short-term, those can make for some big moves on my leverage that I'm using. So 15-minute printing a green dot just a few minutes ago. We zoom in on the 1 minute and back test this. Even though we're already in the green on money flow on the 1 minute, that is starting to move up even more from where it originally printed the green dot at. Plainly put, I like market cipher quite a bit, and I use it honestly for the past 4 or 5 years. It's been fantastic. I use the weekly on market cipher to decide when to hammer into good spot positions or just to generally buy more Bitcoin in mass, heavier DCA seasons. And then I use the market cipher money flow on my day trading to find out when that VWAP is ready to snap to the upside and momentum is down. People are betting on downside, and I'm there to take the profits. Another important part of my tool chest is CoinGlass's liquidation heat map. Click here on liquidation heat map under liquidations tab, and then make sure to click symbol instead of pair. And if you do symbol, you get all of the liquidation data for Bitcoin rather than pair, which would show you, say, only Binance's information or MEXC or Gates. So make sure you're clicking symbol, and then I like to start on the 24-hour and then take a gander at what the 12-hour looks like. These are basically magnets. Wherever you have the heavier weighted magnet is likely where price is attracted to go to because there's more pain and money to be made should price reach that level, up or down. And an excellent example, just to make while I'm live recording this, is I make an entry. This is a VVV chart. I've been trading VVV a lot because it's very volatile. Entered the long here, G'd the long here. Sure, it moved up just a little bit more, but now it's heading. I would have lost half of my profits had I just been a moon boy, looking for only up action. So these are the tools that I use, and this is the entry point for anyone that's on the outside looking in that wants to change their life with trading to get started and take an evaluation for as little as 46 bucks. If you make it through, you get $5,000 trading account that you're keeping 70 to 90% of the profits, depending on which option you choose. The link for the API key connection will be found in the description of this video. And happy hunting out there. Let's go get this bread.